Yo, Ebusian, welcome back to the Vibes Show. This is the Vibes, Charlie. The new info we get be say, Charlie. They say right now there is Legon there, Charlie. It make lamb. If I say it make lamb, you know if you understand. What's baby ala ye din, Charlie? Boys know the few come out safe. Boys all travel. Some go there Togo, some go there Cotonou, some go there Benin, some to run to Ivory Coast. Even they say some run Camp Takrady, Charlie. The info be say. They say right now, the FBI, they make word, they make word. We are here say, they say, how did they call him? President Mahama. He gets some, how did they call him? He gets some letter be from the United States of America. Where the letter, the state say, Charlie, make Mahama, make our President John Dramani Mahama, the President of Republic of Ghana, make he agree, say, may they carry some boys, enter America, New York. So, English where they go talk say extradition or whatever they call them. You understand? Charlie, it means say boys na was watching one. Charlie, wo logo one in Alefi, Accra there no when one out full plane. Or to answer handcuffs chain na dey. No one out Accra. But Charlie, where we see some comment for Facebook, somebody they write say Charlie, cast where these boys they buy even player where they earn 300k a week self no go fit buy that car. Somebody to write say Charlie, the way boys they give pressure, the way these boys they buy cars and things, you know. If you day back self, you go figure say you be lazy, you know they work. You go you just go sit there and think say, hey, ready. And I be the thing I'm going to say the bomb no. Charlie. So the thing where we hear he say to the magistrate of district court Accra, whereas a requisition has been made by the diplomatic representative of the United States of America through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration to me, the minister to whom the president has assigned functions under the Extradition Act 1960 into bracket Act 22 for the arrest of the names where they come now, Isaac Odro-Boaten. Hey! Isaac Odro-Boaten. Hey! Inusa Ahmed, Derek Van Yeboah, and Patrick Kwame Asari, where them all be Ghanaians. So, whereas the said Isaac Odro-Boaten, Inusa Ahmed, Derek Van Yeboah, and Patrick Asari are suspected to be in Ghana. Now, therefore, in exercise of the powers conferred on the Minister for the Interior by Section 7, Article 1 of Extradition Act 1960, Article 22, the following order is hereby made. It is hereby signified that a requisition has been made to me as aforesaid, and you are hereby required in accordance with the provision of Section 7, Article 1 of the Extradition Act 1960, Article 22, to issue a warrant for the apprehension of the said Isaac Odro-Boaten, Inusa Ahmed, Derek Van Yeboah, and Patrick Kwame Asari, for all which this present shall be for sufficient authority. In testimony whereof I have here under set my hand and seal, dated at Accra, 18th of March, 2025. Charlie, so we say that thing it happens if you know be today you. Muntaka Mohammed Mubarak, MP, Minister of Interior. Charlie, so we say that thing be much safer where they start to do the investigation, they start to bab the boys and things. Charlie, be serious. It be serious. Now that they carry the boys enter America. This be Hush Papi Ghana edition. Charlie, cast where these boys they buy. Hey, Charlie, them are watch yourself. Richard Mille, Hublot, Nico Kane, watches Philippi Patek, watches where they cost 260,000 and since where these boys they were. Charlie, the way boys make some make happy for the social media there. Some too, Charlie, they say them then cut them a chairman. So Charlie, now they to chop self go be problem for them. So some they feel pity for them. Some till they make happy say then catch the boys. Charlie, no be easy. Charlie, as we dey here there, any info we go get Biano, we go bring you. You are watching the vibes. If this be your first time, I dey beg you, Charlie, try subscribe. So say any info I go bring Biano, you go be the first to hear. Boyaka.